Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll be removing duplicates from an array in 4 different ways. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel. I post the videos basically solving problems, beginner friendly problems, and hopefully in the future I'll be solving medium and advanced problems. So in the first 2 ways, I'll be removing the array in place, so I will not be returning a whole new array. And in the third and the fourth way, I will be returning a new array. In the first solution, we'll solve it with using an external array to keep track of each element. We will not return this external array, we'll just use it as a helper array, just to keep track of the elements that we already passed. So let's write this function. To receive an array. And this I will call it temp, the external array, and I will loop over the array, and basically I will check if it's already included in the temporary array. If it's already included, I will remove it from my array. If it's not included, I will just push it to keep track of this element. So and my condition here, if I need to check if the current element is included here. So I will say temp dot includes this element. If it's included, I will remove it. How I remove? Using the JavaScript function splice, and this is how you remove. You write the index here, the index of the element that you want to remove, and 1. Else I want to push it here, so temp dot push the array I, and I will return the array. So let's see what we get. Moved up, and we'll use this array. As you can see, we get an array which has no duplicates, 3, 2, 4, 5. Now in the second solution, we'll use the nested for loop. And basically they are really similar, but the difference is basically that I'm not using this function includes, and I'm not using the other variable or the other array. I'm doing everything in the nested loop. And basically what I will do is just I will take this element, each element, for example 3 here. I will loop over the whole array. I'll check, for example, 3 is equal to, no. Is 3 is equal to 3? Yes, I'll remove the 3. Is 3 is equal to 4? No. 5, 5. Is 2 is equal to 4? No. 3 here is removed. Is 2 equal to 4? No. 5, 5, no. Is 4 equal to 5? No, no. Is 5 equal to 5? Yes, remove this 5. So this is basically what I will do. For loop, set I is equal to 0. I is less than the array dot length, and then I++, and it's a nested loop, so I'll just rename the variables. And here I don't wanna start over from the beginning. For example, here, if I already, for example, checked the 3 here, I checked the 3, I removed the 3's from here, H3, I remove the H3 from here. When I come to this element, I don't need to check the 3, this. So I'll here write I plus 1, and it's one condition if the array I, which will be this element that we'll keep, right, if it's equal to the array j. So for example here, array I, array j are equal. This is array j, so I'll remove the j. So I'll use the same function here, but with the j, not the I. And this should be fine. I'll return the array. And as you can see, we also get the array. Well, I didn't change the function, so obviously we'll get, but we get the same result. Yeah, so this is the second way, and the third way is using the set data structure. The set data structure has a property. It inserts the element in the set only if it doesn't exist before. So basically it produces the array without duplicates. You can do it in one line, but I just write it in a function, remove with set. It will receive an array and it will return a new set which has the array here. Again, need to date, and here as you can see we get a set which has no duplicates, and basically you need to change if you want to return an array, you need to change the type to an array, and in JavaScript using the spread operator you can achieve that. Maybe you can do the casting in Java, or I don't know, but in JavaScript you can use this simple way using the spread operator. Now we have the last one, which is using the filter method. So filter, remove with filter, to receive an array, and this will also be in one line. So array.filter, and it will take the value and the index of the value, and in filter you create a new array and you enter the element in this array based on the condition that you write here. So what's the condition? Sorry. You can use the index of function. Basically, like you say, if array dot index of the value, which is x, so you will get the index of the value, and index of it returns the first value, the index of the first value you see. So for example, if I said here the index of 5, it will not give me this 5, it will give me always this 5. If I said the index of 3, it will always give me this 3, and this index keeps representing the current index in each iteration. So here the index 0, 1, 2, and then here the index will be 2, right? And when I will say here array.index of 3, it will return the index 0, right? It will not return the same index. So I need to check if they are the same index, then I will insert it to the new array. So this should be fine now, and we get the remove duplicate. So that was it, and hopefully it was helpful. Subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.